Hi friends, I'm Sam with Happily Hooked, and today we are on episode 3 of our product reviews. I'm so excited. Today we are working with different types of scissors. So we had a couple comments in our Facebook group. If you're not a member of our Facebook group, you do have to be a subscriber to our digital magazine, and the information for that is down below. But they suggested different types of scissors. Now I do a lot of market prep, so I make a ton of pom-poms pretty much all year round. And then I also wanted to find something that I could bring with me so that way it's not going through my bag or anything like that. So I got 3 different types of scissors. We're gonna test them out and see which one we like the best.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
All right, so today we are working with scissors. I believe there's 4 scissors in here, but I think there's just 3 different types. This comes in a set. I didn't open it or anything yet. But this is a set of 2 different types of scissors. There's these ones. They kind of look vintagey. I know we gave away some when you subscribe to the magazine that look similar to this. Ours are a little bit darker, a little bit sharper. I don't think I have them up here next to me, but these don't quite look the same. They're pretty though. I'm excited about them. So yeah, they don't quite feel the same. They're metal. They are metal. So we'll check those ones. High quality stainless steel blades, elegant European styling, sharp points allow for delicate cutting and trimming. Extremely sharp. These, I believe, yeah, these ones, I've had these bird scissors before, or one similar to this, not this brand. I really like the bird scissors. I just think they're really cute and pretty. These ones I have no idea. I just looked for scissors. We'll see. Blades are covered in oil to keep them conditioned for your first use. You can wipe it off. It's very sharp, so keep out of reach. Oh, there's 3 sets in here. Okay, so there's 3. Oh, these smell like oil. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, you can kind of see on there, it's covered, and I know it says that you can wipe it off, so I'm going to. But these are awkward. I do like that they come in like a little pouch though, so that way it doesn't like stab through my bag. Alright, so I wiped these ones off. So we're gonna, like I said, I'm using these specifically. These are really hard to open. I mean, they cut well though. Alright, these ones are not cutting as smoothly, maybe? I like the tips on these ones. Okay, let's try these awkward ones. No. I don't like these ones at all. They're just awkward to hold, and I think I'm gonna pinch myself. They're sharp though. I'll give them that. These might work well for like embroidery or something. I just worry about getting in with the yarn. Cut just so much nicer. They're hard to open though. It might make my hand hurt after a while. Or they might loosen up. I don't know. These bird ones are nice though. I like the bird ones. I don't like that they like push the yarn away. I don't know if you've been able to see that, but like they like push so it all gets angled. These ones are just, and they don't open up very wide. So these I think would be better for like this, when you're cutting your ends or something. Obviously make sure you wipe off the oil off of them, and then you're going to want to make sure you wipe it off every time, because when you put it back in here there's oil in the bag, so it gets back on those. So for these are all relatively cheap. I think this set was like $9 or $10, and then this whole set was $6 for all 3 of these. Obviously I'm gonna go with these ones for our purposes. These are sharp. Like I said, I think they would be really good for embroidery or using them to like cut the ends of your yarn off, but these are better for trimming. These I probably wouldn't stick in a bag and take with me because they are so sharp, but these ones probably won't go through like a yarn, like a notions bag or something like that, so I'd probably bring the bird ones with me and keep these ones on my desk. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, or if you have another set of scissors that I just absolutely have to try. Because for right now I'm going to go this route over here, but just let me know. Comment below, tell me what you think, tell me what scissors you think I should try, or if there's anything else that you want me to work with, and I really look forward to making the next video. Bye guys!